We are in the city of Owerri. Yes, guys. So we are currently just at the construction work going on at Control Roundabout in the city of Owerri. If you have been following our series, you'll be fully aware that we'll be doing an update on this project for a while now, giving you guys or bringing you guys up to speed as to how far the work is going. So if you're new to our channel, you are welcome to Arlin TV. Kindly do what to hit on the subscribe button. Also turn on notification bell to be part of our big family. And for returning subscribers, thank you so much. We appreciate your love for our channel. So as always, we look forward to your review, your likes, your share on this video. Let us know your thought about it. And if you are from IMO State, also do let us know. At the commencement of this project, when we first shared it on our channel, a lot of people were really concerned about the roundabout and that significant or that iconic structure that is present at this roundabout. So, but later on, we were made to understand that this flyover is going to cut across that particular sculpture and is going to still be reflecting at the roundabout. So, which was quite a very awesome plan and strategy to bring. So just to mention, I'll be taking a drone shot of this environment, bringing you guys up to speed as at September, how far the work is gone. So we'll be doing a drone clip pretty soon, but let's just do a ground walk around first. Let's just show you guys how it is around here. So as you know, Cranbridge is the one handling the project, and the flyover will be coming from Portharcourt Road going towards Warehouse, and also Onitsha coming into Portharcourt Road. If you know Owerri very well, this is one area I usually avoid as a driver in Owerri because the traffic congestion before those controllers came in was much around this place. You understand? So it was quite very much. So I literally do everything I can to avoid it, not to go through it, because it's usually very clumsy. You know, before those controllers came, it was a bit easy, but still, you still have a lot of clusters around here. So when this project commenced, I was one of the most excited persons because it's going to ease up this place. It's going to just make it look more beautiful and also just create ease of access to this particular area. The famous church is still standing there and it's not going to be affected by this flyover work. Not even the fence will be affected, which is quite good. So whoever designed the plan really considered or probably came to site to look at what is there that is significant to this area before the plan of this flyover was actually done. So I think all of those things were put into consideration. At the initial stage, we'll be doing a drone shot now showing you the what's it called, the church currently in that position, and this is a view of the sculpture which will still be remaining here. Probably they will do more beautification by the time the project is completed. So it's quite a massive project currently being handled by the current administration of IMO State. You know, so let's hope that in no time the project will be completed. From the person I met on site coming to film this time, so he told me they had a plan of a year and some days or a year and a month to complete the project, and they are actually gearing towards completing it within the stipulated time as planned for the project. So our eyes are on it and we are keeping tab to see how far it is going, and trust us to also bring you guys the before and the after by the time the work is fully completed. For first timers who visit Owerri, there is no way you can come to Owerri without knowing this roundabout. So if you are still seeing this video and you enjoy content like this, we are currently in Owerri and we'll be creating lots of other content from this beautiful city. So, and if you are not yet a subscriber, do well to click on the subscribe button, turn on notification bell so you can be part of our big family. And for returning subscribers, as always, thank you so much. Like I said, do well to give me your thoughts, give me your review about this project in the comment section. I will be looking forward to it, and give me your thought about it. And for people of Imo State, if you are excited about it, also do let me know. But personally, I am excited about it on your behalf because this place is going to be traffic free, and I believe this is going to also add some level of beauty to to the area. Like I said, it's a famous area in Imo State that if you are coming for the first time, you must have heard, or they must bring you around this particular junction if you are coming here, because from portharcourt you connect here, from Onitsha you connect here. If you are coming from Okigwe, you can connect here. Coming from whatever place, you can always connect this particular roundabout. So it takes us to Portharcourt Express to New Owerri. It takes us also into the World Bank axis and also to other part of town. So it's a very very busy area. It's looking all quiet and no much traffic around here now, because the work is ongoing. On a normal day when this project was not yet on, here used to be a very very busy junction, and I can tell you that you definitely find vehicles around here 24/7 as far as Owerri is concerned. So quite a great work, I must say. So if you have seen our before video, you also can spotlight some of the progress they've made so far on this project. Like you can see, the beams are already coming up gradually, so which is quite cool. So even though the speed is not as what I expected, I thought something massive must have been on compared to the last time we filmed it. But then again, it's a progress we are seeing. You could see the beams already standing already. So let's hope that by the time we come, they must have done the flanking of the flyover across both sides. Let's hope that will be our next update to you guys. And this sculpture you are seeing will just be right in the middle, still reflecting, and people can actually sit around there by the time the project is completed. So quite also, and like I mentioned earlier, it's been handled by Cranbridge, and it's a massive project they are doing here. So if you have any video recommendation for us in Imo State, or you are aware of any projects currently going on in Imo State that you would like us to capture, do let us know in the comment section. And as always, we are in other social media platforms, so you can do what to follow us there. We also drop awesome content around there in Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. We are all there, so you can check us out at Arlin TV. And also, if you want to work with us, or you have a friend or a colleague who can work with us, also do give us a DM on any of our platform, or send us a mail directly. We'll be glad to work with you. So guys, thank you so much. And for those who are not yet subscribed, do well to click the subscribe button and turn on notification bell. So catch you guys in our next video. Bye.